Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a very fun day because I'm showing you guys how to get this look right here by using this MorpheXDisney palette. This was so fun to use and I can't wait to create more looks. But if you guys want to see how I achieved this one, then just keep watching. As you heard from the intro, we are just going to jump right into the makeup. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. It's the Disney Mickey and Friends Truth Be Told palette. I picked this up because there were some exciting colors that I really wanted to dig into. I haven't decided what look I'm going for today, but as you can tell, I've been loving like this green and a blue in here. I really want to try out. So I'm not sure what we're looking for today with the eye look, but I'm very excited to try it out. So while I'm waiting for my hair to dry, I thought I'd do this video for us and then we could see the beautiful result at the end. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the palette has the same packaging as the outside box did, and I will show you guys the colors. There's actually no mirror in here. I didn't even notice at the store, but they actually have some imprints in here, like this is Donald, and then you see like Mickey here, and this is Mickey's pants with the 2 dots, the glove. That's cool. I couldn't even see them at the Ulta store because they were swatched so well. I was so excited to play with it. Look at the color scheme. I think it's beautiful. You can create so many looks. I'm very excited to try this red. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into it. I'm not gonna do my foundation or anything. I'm going to do my eyes first so I can focus on that and really perfect them, and then do my face afterwards. I'm first gonna start with my Profusion No Budge eyeshadow primer and just put that all over my lids. And then I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl powder and just kind of set that on my eyelids, just as a perfect base to put some color on there. I'm going to take a flat brush like this. I'm going to go in with this color, Street Beats, and I'm gonna have that go all over the lid for a nice base color to put the darker, sparklier blue over top, and then kind of pat it on my lid. Oh my gosh, look how much color. Well, that's fun. I also want it to go a little bit above my crease so that when I look at the person, whoever I'm looking at, or look at anybody, you can definitely see the eye look even when I'm looking straight at you. So I'm just gonna go a little bit above crease. So far, this has been extremely easy to shape out and very pigmented, and so it's really nice to work with. And the blue doesn't seem very patchy at all, which is really nice because I feel like with a lot of lighter blues, they do get pretty patchy. Man, look at that. I feel like that looks so good. And that is a really good base for the color I'm going to go into next. So I'm just going to copy from this side to this side. I feel like we get. So now that we're done with both eyes looking like that, I'm going to go in with this nice royal blue shade and put that all over the lid, just like this. I'm actually gonna try it with my finger and see what happens. See, it just looks so beautiful and metallic. I mean, that's what it looks like off camera too. So let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with the same brush I was actually using with the first blue and see if it'll work a bit better. Yeah, I feel like that's working a lot better. But isn't that the most beautiful blue you ever did see? I think so. So this is what the eyes look like so far. Now back into the palette, I think I'm going to take this color Major Edge and I'm going to buff out the edges and start to create a smoky eye effect. Okay, so it's now looking like this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with the black called Play by Ear. It's got a little bit of sparkle reflex in it, but I'm not sure if it's going to transfer over. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just add a little bit because I don't know how the black pays off, and start adding it to the outer crease again. And now I think I'm going to go in with this shade Staring Contest. It's a nice silver shade. I think I'm going to put that in my inner corners. So now I'm just gonna clean up the eye, and I like to take a baby wipe and kind of just follow the curvature of my eye up toward my eyebrows. So it somewhat looks like that. Do they look perfect? I don't know, but that's good enough for now. I'm going to do the rest of my base face, and then we'll come back to finish the eyes together. Okay, hi, I'm back. So this is my base face. If you guys want to know the products I use for my base face, there will be a link in the cards above to show you my whole vegan routine that I've been loving. I use the exact same products, so just go check that out after this video. Now that we are back to the eyes, I kind of want to take a little bit of a different highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Michaela X Glam Light highlighter, and I'm gonna use this and try to highlight those eyes. I want kind of a softer glow. The one I have right now is kind of more silver, and I just want something a bit softer than silver. I don't know, does that make sense? It's not making sense to me. So the eyes should be actually relatively easy. We're just going to use the same colors that we did. I'm going to go in with that second metallic blue, and I'm going to line the bottom of my eye and have it very lightly connect to the inner corner highlight. So just like that. So once that looks like that, I'm going to go in with the Major Edge color, which was like a very, very dark greenish color that we first used to smoke out the eye. And I'm going to smoke out that outer corner lightly. And then I'm going to go in with the black ever so lightly and just smoke it up to finish the eye. So that's what the eyes will look like when complete. If you guys see something that you may not like, just go ahead and feel free to obviously go back in, touch up, do what you need to. So the last few things are eyeliner, lashes, and lips. So I'm going to move on to those things. For liner, I'm going to go in with a gel liner and then just do a nice wing. So eyeliner is done. I'm going to coat my lashes in the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara just so that it can blend in with my falsies. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the Ioni Faux Mink lashes. These are in Natural Light Wispy. I love this shape and the way that it looks. So I'm also going to take the Ioni Lash Glue and just pop them right on. So here are the eyes and the lashes put together. The last thing is lips. I have a lip in mind. So let me try the color Global Citizen. So I'm finished with my makeup. I'm going to get dressed and do my hair, and then we will talk about it at the end. So here's a little bit of a closer look at the makeup. I think it's really, really pretty. It's so vibrant. All in all, I think the palette was really, really nice, and the color payoff was beautiful. I thought it looked fabulous, especially when you put the lighter blue under that layer so that it has a nice background to stick to. I feel like that looked really good. I'm super excited to play with a lot of the other colors, and it was pretty simple to create this look, and I don't think I've ever had another blue as vibrant. I mean, in person it looks so metallic and so pretty, and I wish the camera kind of picks it up when you guys see like shine like that. That is what it looks like in person, and it's so pretty. So here's the color scheme once again. I really just want to see what I can come up with by myself, just imagining and being creative and seeing where the colors take me. But I really like the performance of this palette. I think it's so cute. This is just a nice like smoky eye I was able to do with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. I have a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers by December 31st, so if you could help me achieve that goal, I'd so appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys, so thank you for checking me out, and don't forget to click on any other videos that may intrigue you. I will see you in my next one tomorrow. Bye!